Hey there guys, today we will be sanding the Lamborghini Aventador to restart the design. Let's get to it. While the Lamborghini is drying, next video we will be putting the stripes on again. Hopefully this time it will go smoother, because this time will be different, because we have black airbrush paint. We'll be using the airbrush this time, which means the black spray paint will no longer be in use. Mostly due to the pressure control, the amount of paint that's used. That's what caused the bleeding in the tape from the last attempt. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next video.